In this video, we're going to show you how to use gradient hatches for presentation drawings in AutoCAD. Gradient hatches are a great way to make drawings look more visually appealing and professional. Unlike standard hatch patterns that use repeated lines or shapes, gradient hatches use smooth color transitions to create a more polished presentation. They are commonly used in conceptual designs, architectural presentations, landscape plans, and client-facing drawings where appearance is just as important as technical accuracy. A well-placed gradient hatch can help highlight important areas, improve visual hierarchy, and make your drawings easier to understand. It can also help distinguish different spaces or design elements without overwhelming the drawing with dense patterns. The good news is that AutoCAD makes it easy to apply gradient hatches and customize their appearance to match your presentation style. By the end of this video, you'll learn how to create and adjust gradient hatches to give your drawings a cleaner and more professional look. So, let's get started. The first method is to create a gradient hatch. Start the Hatch command and select the closed boundary where you want to apply the gradient. Next, open the Hatch Creation options. Instead of choosing a standard hatch pattern, switch to the Gradient tab. Select the gradient style you want to use. You can choose between different color combinations and transition styles depending on the appearance you're trying to create. After selecting the gradient, click inside the boundary to apply it. If you want to improve the appearance further, adjust the gradient colors and angle. Small changes can create a much more polished presentation effect. Experiment with different settings until you find the look that best fits your drawing. In most situations, these simple steps are all you need. Now let's quickly recap what we covered. First, start the Hatch command and select a closed boundary. Second, switch to the Gradient option instead of using a standard hatch pattern. And third, customize the colors and gradient settings to achieve the desired appearance. Remember that gradient hatches are primarily intended for presentation purposes. They can help make drawings more attractive and easier to understand when shared with clients, managers, or project stakeholders. Using gradients thoughtfully can improve the visual quality of a drawing without adding unnecessary complexity. It's also a good idea to keep gradients consistent throughout a project so that your presentation maintains a professional and organized appearance. A simple gradient effect can often make a drawing stand out while still preserving the clarity of the design information. Taking a few extra minutes to refine presentation graphics can leave a stronger impression and help communicate your ideas more effectively. And that's how to use gradient hatches for presentation drawings in AutoCAD. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with others who work with AutoCAD. Your support helps us create more tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips to make your AutoCAD workflow faster and more efficient. If there's another AutoCAD feature or issue you'd like us to cover, feel free to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and ideas for future videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.